Ballast Lane Applications for Mobile Design and Development. Here are a few excerpts from our mobile workshops for strategy and actions across market insights, app concepts, design, launch, and promotion.
That the kind of the mobile app world is in the early majority, right? Where most people are starting to adopt apps, use them, and actually got quite a bit of pushback from a variety of people, especially those in the enterprise space, saying that actually the mobile market is actually more in the early adopters, where people are still experimenting, figuring out what's good, sharing what's good, and we're still a few months or years or quarters away from kind of mass adoption, where everybody is kind of settled on the best thing to do and getting it to work together the best way it can, to making it cheaper, and then to figuring out how to do something different going forward. Is that one concept we come across with a lot is this concept of multimodal. That's a kind of a fancy sounding word, but just it works on every single device. So what you look at on your phone is connected to what you can see on the browser, which works on your iPad. The distinction between apps and web is blurring. Mobile web is getting better. Mobile apps are using more HTML, more kind of classic JavaScript. So kind of the technologies that are that form this kind of division between mobile web and mobile apps are really blurring, because a lot of developers are developing a lot of tools that make it a lot easier to do that. What's called the user agent in Safari, and this is really helpful. You can switch it to what it would look like in any other device that you might have. So this is a good way to do a quick audit of your presence, so you don't have to mess around with your phone, type in a small URL number, but you can just change the user agent to, in this case, Safari, and hopefully this will work. And there, that's the browser or the mobile version of my site. For me, I'm a big fan of WordPress. I think it's a great tool. It's generally free. The WP Touch that I used to make this front end was $50, and absolutely worth it.
Join our next workshop or invite us to do a custom session to discover your best plan to go mobile. More at ballastlane.com.